with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hey guys! Today we're making awesome paper crafts for school. I was just about to...
Sue! Sue, the cable monster got me! It's huge! It's wiggly! It's like a wire kraken!
Oh no! Technology is eating Sammy alive! Quick, someone! Press the undo button.
For real though, look at this mess. How am I supposed to carry this to school?
Relax, Drama King. I'll fix it. Watch closely. Craft magic incoming! Done! Tamed, organized, and beautiful.
Organized, yes. But it still needs our brand! More color, more sparkle, more wow! Wait, what is this thing? Perfect! Wow, that's awesome! I had just turned boring into cool!
Yep, craft powers activated.
Ah! The monster is back!
Relax, Sammy. It's just me. And these googly eyes.
Googly eyes, instant win! And I made this!
Nice! Okay, Sammy. Now you're officially school ready.
If only I had something fun for recess. Not wires, though. Never wires again! Huh? That looks like fun! I should just skip over it, right? Ah!
He's so clumsy.
Ouch! Ugh, okay. No wires then. Oh no! Sue! I accidentally broke this thing and can't put it back together!
Sue to the rescue! Nick and Judy, don't worry. I got you. First, we cut out a piece of cardboard. Actually, we need 2 of them! Next, Sammy, helper mode on.
Hi-ya! Yeah, this craft looks naked. It needs clothes and color. Lots of color!
Great point. And nice touch with this purple shade. And ta-da!
Sue, this puzzle is next level! Haha!
So here is how it's done. Okay, Master Crafter, what's with this?
That's super simple! Tape these thingies here, here, and there!
Like this? Am I doing it right?
Yep, perfect! Now flip it! Add more tape! That's right! And here's the other side of the frame!
All right, done! So, is this supposed to be new blinds for your room?
What? No way! I admit it looks like it, though. Here, check it out. Techno craft magic! Woohoo!
Whoa! I want to try doing that too! Whoosh! Hey, it's not working. Okay, I'll just do it classic style. Aww, what a cute little unicorn! Wait, our teacher, Miss Sally, loves unicorns. Oh no, we forgot about her birthday! Sammy, focus! I was supposed to wrap the gift!
Relax, you're talking to a pro. I once wrapped a gift for a princess of TV Dabble herself!
Really? Well, I hope it looked good. Now, am I doing it right at all? Well, it looks interesting. What's next?
Next, let's fill that perfect wrapping with candy.
Here comes jewelry, too!
Does a teacher need candy? Seriously. I mean, I'm hungry.
Nice try, Sammy. I'd better close it up to keep the candy safe.
Then I'll just go give it to Miss Sally.
Sammy! Her birthday is next week. This stays with me for now. Far, far away from your sweet tooth.
Fine, I've got another super top secret spy idea for our next craft.
So, spy idea, huh?
Ah! Don't sneak up on me like that, Sue. Here, we will make a secret spy watch.
What's so secret about it? Except maybe the folding technique.
There will be a hidden candy compartment. Duh.
For sneaky snacking? Cool. But we need more parts.
I got what you asked for.
Nice! Here's what you asked for.
Nicely done. Mission complete, Agent Sue! Hey! I was undercover!
And I just want to finish this craft. Let me try. Wow, super comfy.
Agreed.
Sammy, you ate everything?
Yeah, I couldn't help it. Uh-oh, pencil emergency! We need a sharpener!
Easy. Just give me a sec.
Please tell me it won't make a mess. I'm done with shavings.
That's exactly what I was thinking. Now, we need decorations.
It looks like... Exactly! Ta-da!
I'm not sure how this is gonna help.
Just use your imagination and a bit of magic.
Wow, your creativity is wild, especially when food is involved.
It looks delicious. Aww.
Sammy, you okay?
Tie me up before I eat it.
So silly.
Aw, Sue, it looks so cute.
And the best part? No more messy shavings.
Nice! I've got a super sharp pencil. But I still can't draw a straight line.
Do you really need a straight line?
Well, yeah. I gotta make a birthday card for Miss Sally.
You're right. And I've got an idea. We'll make a paper ruler for perfect lines.
Love the idea, Sue. Don't forget to reinforce it.
Good call, Sammy.
This ruler needs a cuteness upgrade. Bears are cute, aren't they?
That's true. I simply love pandas.
Me too! But this doesn't look like a panda. Is it a rare blue panda?
I love it! Special panda needs special markings. All done. Time for the birthday card.
Perfect timing! I got everything ready to go.
All right, guys. This card is gonna be special. Watch closely.
Woohoo! Let's go! Best card ever!
Thanks for your smile. But just one emoji isn't enough.
Agent Sam is on the mission! Ew, it's sour. Anything for craft?
Great job! But we need even more.
Come on, push through.
I'm trying. I can't feel my slime. Ugh.
And done. Ready to test it?
Red face with a tongue? Now, squinty eyes? This is so cool, Sue! If only we could save these funny moments. Wait! We need a camera! And it has to be my favorite color!
Sure thing. The first part's ready. Sammy, can you?
Ah! Haha! Gotcha! It's a paper snake!
Oh yeah? Take this! Paper snake attack! Okay, truce. Hand over the rest parts.
Roger that! This selfie stick is perfect!
Maybe. Not for selfies, though.
And I made the film! Here you go!
It meets color. Say cheese, everybody! Isn't it just perfect for saving happy memories?
Don't forget the back cover!
Got it! And all the buttons, too! Here comes the lens! Well, should we test it? Hey, it's not working.
Give it another try with the flash!
Yes! Look at all these photos! Aren't they just amazing?
Wow, we made so many school crafts today!
True, but school isn't just homework.
Exactly! It's also summer break! Swimming in the ocean, cute fish everywhere. Oh, hello you! Say cheese! Oops, gotta go! Sue, here are my underwater photos for our last craft!
Oh, I love your idea. Guys, we'll make ocean squishies to remember the summer by.
Don't forget water, too!
Of course. Only the cleanest, splashiest water, straight from the heart of the ocean for our cuties. Into the baggies.
Label each one, Sue!
You got it. And done.
Woohoo! So squishy!
Thanks for crafting with us, friends. Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe!
Lucky, I had no idea there were so many nutshells in that cupboard. Good job.
Thank you, Chef Nord. What's next?
Well, the terrace needs a good scrubbing.
You can count on me. Ouch.
Hello, Thorn. Jerboa Express. Letter for you.
Dear Thorn, I would like to order a giant carrot cake for a special occasion. Please deliver to Ellery's Burrow. Signed, a park animal who you don't know. This letter could only be from one park animal, and that's Ellery. He wants a cake. I'll give him a cake. Bucky! That's the third time today he's disappeared on me. Bucky! Bucky, where are you?
Cydia, Spearmint, look what Cat got in the mail. A mushroom carved out of wood.
It's amazing. Do you know who sent it?
No idea. Anybody at all can drop a letter or a package in the mailbox. I bet I know who did this. Come on.
Hi, Rose. Look what I got in the mail. Wait, you sent it, right?
I was just about to come over and ask if you sent this lovely carving of a rose.
Wow, I wish I did, but no.
Everyone, look what was in our packages! Mine is a ball of yarn!
And I got a 4-leaf clover for luck. Somebody knows me very well. So Cap, Daffodil, Thistle and I all got sculptures. Right, the 4 of you.
Don't worry, Lilac. You do know there's an afternoon delivery, don't you?
Sorry, Lilac, not for you. Not for you. What? This one's for me. It's me and you.
Whoever carved this completely captured my speedy look.
The rest of the mail?
Huh?
Not for you. Not for you. Lilac, a package for you. Oh, me? I wasn't expecting anything. Look, how did anyone ever do such a thing? I gotta find the perfect spot to put this.
Chipotle Express for all your mail. We are the best.
So everyone except for Moss and Thorn received a sculpture, which means one of them must be the sculptor.
Not Thorn, no. He's busy with spring cleaning at the Buttercup.
Moss, are you home?
Oh, it looks like Moss has been digging all day.
I have a feeling that Moss is the key to this mystery. Let's search the whole park.
Hey, another hole. Looks like Moss was here, under Plum's tree. Plum, are you awake?
Who wants to know?
Plum, it's Cap and Rose. We were just wondering if you've seen Moss.
I didn't really see him, because I went to hide when I heard him.
Why would you hide from Moss?
Because I heard him say, "What a wonderful piece of wood. Imagine all the things I can do with it." Oh, I thought maybe he was gonna cut down my tree, so I hid.
Don't worry, Plum. Lily buds don't cut down trees. Are you sure that was Moss?
Well, not really. Can I go back to bed now?
Of course. Thank you. You've been a big help.
And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Isn't exercising together fun?
Yes, I could do this all day.
Me too. In fact, since I can't stop, I may have to.
Hello, Your Majesties. We're sorry to bother you, but have you seen Moss? He passed by a while ago, carrying a piece of wood.
He went that way.
Thank you. Norbert!
I think that's enough exercise for today.
I don't know what these holes mean, but it sure seems like Moss made all those sculptures.
Have either of you seen that so-called delivery service?
Oh, you mean Jerboa Express for all your mail. We are the best.
The best, my Paul. I ordered a giant carrot cake, and look what they delivered instead. A box full of nutshells.
Oh, sorry, Ellery. We're busy looking for Moss. Have you seen him?
He was by here earlier. I have no time for his nonsense about wooden sculptures. In fact, I'm going inside to write a letter to the Jerboa Express, demanding that they find my proper package.
Moss has to be back at his house by now.
Rose, are you okay?
I think so, more or less.
Oh, sorry, Rose. Ever since this shovel got delivered to my door, I've been trying it out all over the park. It's fantastic.
Wait, so this means you got a mysterious wooden sculpture too?
Even better than a sculpture, this shovel has been carved from the most incredible wood. I can dig anywhere.
So if it's not you, that only leaves...
Bucky? Gone again. Something's just not right with Bucky today.
Thorn, was it you who made the wonderful wooden sculptures and sent them to all of us?
Huh? It was you! They were all delivered in a box just like that!
Oh, that. Zinnia and Spearman dropped it off. I haven't had time to open it.
Could you open it now, please, Thorn? We have to see what's inside.
A spoon. A beautiful and useful wooden spoon. Who did this?
We thought it was you. I'm beginning to think that this will remain a mystery. Wood chips! And look, there are others!
Whoever dropped these wood chips was tired. Look how they walked all over the place. Now I recognize the teeth marks on this spoon. Not many can carve with their teeth, but if it's who I think it is, they would be very tired after carving that many sculptures. Too tired to clean or rake up wood chips.
Bucky?
Huh? I must have, I can explain.
Are you the one who sent wooden sculptures to all of the lily buds?
Well, yes. I wanted to make presents for all of you, so I worked late last night and most of today, too. I'm sorry, Chef Thorne.
It's fine, Bucky. I thought you weren't your usual hardworking self. Rose, I believe your mystery is solved.
Except for, why, Bucky?
Because I feel so happy when I'm around you guys. I wanted to say so for a long time, but I guess I'm just shy.
Thank you, Bucky.
We all love our presents!
Cap's right, Bucky. Look, this spoon, I mean, this spoon is... What I mean to say is...
Aw, Chef Thorne, you don't have to say a thing.
Good. Except this. Forget spring cleaning. Let's have a party for Bucky!
Yay, Bucky!
I never got one letter from my fans, not even a postcard. Not to mention my giant carrot cake never arrived at all. Wait, what's this? Wood? Who sends someone a cake made of wood? Well, it's still mail.